Hello everybody, you're looking at a Galaxy DX939 and listening to it through a TalkBack extension speaker through the TalkBack circuit. I'm using a Ranger 198 microphone. As most of you know, I don't like stock microphones, so the Galaxy one's still in the packaging. Anyway, as you can tell, I did nitro lights on this baby. Put a dimmer right here on this. It's a dual dimmer now. The original dimmer still works for the channel and so forth, but the nitro dimmer is right there, and it actually will shut them off completely. And then we also have an LT2N echo board on the side right there. That way we didn't have to mess with the stock locations outside of installing a dual knob and hardwiring the PC board that's on the back of these two knobs right here. So Performance Tune, Nitro Lights, LT2N Echo Board, and if you have an interest in this, let us know. I'm actually going to be showing you what it looks like with the clear knobs, because that's the way it was ordered, and I'll get on that here pretty quickly. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email. Thank you.